All right, good morning, good morning, good morning, and good morning. And today, someone with what I think is a lost art. So welcome back to the Family Reset Daily Steps to Strengthen Unity. And today, let's talk about something that strengthens our roots by and connects to wisdom, honoring our elders. Day 20, the power of honoring elders. And what's kind of really cool is in many cultures, elders are the keepers of wisdom, history, and tradition. The Bible tells us in Leviticus 19:32, stand up in the presence and the age, show respect for the elderly, and revere your God. Honoring our elders isn't just about respect. It's about learning from their experiences and carrying their lessons forward. And so today, here's the challenge. I challenge you to call or visit an elder in your family, ask them about their life and listen to the stories and show them appreciation. If they're no longer here, take a moment to reflect on the lessons they've left behind. And when we honor our elders, we strengthen our families with wisdom and love. Let's reset by valuing those who came before us. I will see you tomorrow for another step toward strength and unity. But think of those elders. Think of those people that we don't talk to all the time and that we don't tell our kids about. Let them just sit and tell stories like they love to do. All right, we'll talk to you tomorrow.